what's up, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the ROIDMI EVA self-cleaning and empty robot vacuum. Why do I need my wife, huh? Or joking aside, this product was on crowdfunding like half a month ago, and you've probably seen the unboxing and testing everything on it. But this one is the international version. That means it's international, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, all right. This video is just about unboxing and the first look, and later I will, do a very detailed test review about it. So subscribe if you haven't. All right, let's get started. Oh. So on the top we have a chunky manual, several languages, very detailed. If you're new to this vacuum cleaner, you better, just read the manual. Moving on, we have, a mop, another mop. Ooh, and then I guess is the robot vacuum cleaner. We just put it aside, and then we have the base. Okay, the vacuum cleaner, let's get the thing out. Okay, so they have two extra mops for you. So there were already two mops on the vacuum cleaner. Ooh. We also have a small box, which includes saddle brush, filter, dust bag, 4 dust bags, water tank filter sponge, and a power cable. That's all the stuff you can get from the box. Now, let's get to the details, shall we? Alright, first to the vacuum cleaner. So we first get rid of these foams, just for protection during transportation. That's great. This is the bumper, and we have 3 physical buttons here. And this obviously is the laser, navigation sensor. And then we open up, we have this dust bin, as you can see here. Alright, we have HEPA filter here inside. And also we have a 2-in-1 brush. You can cut the hair that's tangled on your, wheels or... Well, it's so hard to take it out. Okay, you really have to use some kind of force, right? Okay, and that's the stuff. And also we have a reset button here, and that's basically, the top. And then in the middle we always have the charging contacts and some sensors here, top sensors, water detection sensors. Moving to the bottom, we have the mop here. Let me take it out. Okay, it's strong, and I use it to fall off. And then we have the wheels, also the saddle brush, and omnidirectional wheel. Okay, and then the brush, the main brush. Okay, that's quite standard. Okay, that's it. And now move to the base. All right, when you open up, we can see the instructions here, English instructions here, like really detailed ones. So you can just follow the steps and you won't get wrong. And we have the mop cleaning, recall or issue, robot cleaner, start, pause, and automatic dust collection, and display function. We have an LCD display here. You can see different functions here. Oh, yeah, see, we have brush here, and you can clean dust here if anything gets wrong, gets dirty. Alright, that's the unboxing and the first look of the ROIDMI EVA self-cleaning and empty robot vacuum cleaner. Like I said, this is the first look. I will use it heavily in the next few days and do a detailed review about it. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to know anything about it, please leave comments in the comment section. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.